Bye, kids. We're going to the doctor's.
Okay. Yay, we have the whole place to ourselves.
This show is so funny.
Whoa, what was that?
Who cares? Let's make sure the baby is okay. The heck? Where's the baby?
Oh no, what are we...
Mom's calling!
Mom? Where's the baby? You have her? Me and Josh thought you left her here. Oh well, bye, see ya.
And who was flickering the lights?